guys, so today we're here with this robot and I'm gonna show you all of the stuff and all of the things you can do and all the buttons here. Yeah. So we just turn the remote on. It'll be blinking. It'll be looking for the signal of the robot because it didn't turn it on yet. And when I press it, it'll stop blinking.
I am Cady Will.
Yeah.
I can sing and dance.
So if you press this button, he'll stop doing whatever he's doing. If you make him walk forward and press that, he'll stop walking forward. So dance, you just press this button right here and
Let's
he'll
dance.
start dancing.
Haha! Competition
It has
continues.
like 5 different dances, but like I'm only gonna show one because yeah. You press this button for it to walk forward. And then you press this button to make him go backwards. And if you want him to be faster, you press this speed up button so he could walk faster. Like right here. If you press it and you hear the beep, then you can press forward and then he'll slide, and if you press that, so he'll be more faster. He can also raise his left hand if you press this button, and if you press this button, his hand will go down. It's a bit loud, but yeah. And when he raises his left hand, you see here, it lights up. He can also raise his right hand, which could shoot, which I'll show you in a moment. He can turn around. He can turn in like all the directions. You could click this button and shoot his laser cannon. If you put these in, if you put them in, then he will fire his laser. He'll fire them. Like you press this button, then he'll shoot them. But I don't really recommend it, just in case you hit someone in the eye. Yeah. Also, if you you can make it do music. You can like.
Hi, are you there? Relax, 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 relax.
I just like
Listen
switch
to
through
the
like,
rhyme of
music.
nature. Relax. Listen to the rhyme of
There's
nature.
9 different ones. There's 9 different, I think there's 8 different music types. So,
Fabulous.
if you this button. If you click mode switch,
Mode 2.
it'll switch
Touch
the mode.
control mode.
So if you touch here,
Oh
he'll
no! Please don't touch my
he
head.
don't like that. If you shake him,
Hey, let's fly into space.
yeah, and then if you shake him again, he'll say something
Stop!
else.
Please stop. It made me dizzy.
That's the
To
two
be
things.
honest, I went to Mars last night.
That's the two things you say. And if you press
Super
here,
laser cannon.
do that. And if you press this
Fire
one,
on and ready to launch
he'll
missile.
launch his missile.
Aha! There is nowhere you can hide.
And shoot his missile. He can do 3 different things if you
That's
press him.
it. It makes me feel comfortable.
I think he says uncomfortable. Well, and also
Relax.
he'll
Listen to the
play
line
music.
of make mode 3.
And also
Gesture control mode.
you can gesture it. So if you do that, it might come forward. Yeah. It have to be at the bottom where that's to for the gesture. You can make a turn and stuff with gesture.
Mode 1. Remote control mode.
Yeah, there's this mode. You can also make it do the display. It'll do stuff, but it'll like show us everything it can do. Like walk forward, walk backward and stuff. Also, you can also program it. So every time you press something, he won't do it because you're programming it, but he will do it after you click program again. So if you click that and then that and then that, so that means you'll walk forward normally and then speed up and walk forward. Walk backwards and then go back to go slow again, walk backward again, turn. And then we can make it dance. We can make it use a laser cannon. And then we can make him raise his left hand and raise it down, right hand, put it down. And we can also, after, you can launch the missile. And then when you're done doing what you do, you press this and watch it do the stuff you just pressed. Also, the battery's back here. So if it runs out of energy, then you just take that out and like put it in the charger. So this is when you program it to dance. It'll do the first dance, and then you'll stop and go to whatever I tell you to do after. So when it's done, it'll do something else. You don't have to click anything.
Haha! Competition continues.
Since the program is not done, just do it. Sometimes there might be a pause between like the thing. If like the program sort of got messed up, it might sort of pause, like when it raised his arm, that arm, and then pause for a second and did that. And yeah.
Hi, are you there?
And if you don't click the remote or something for a long time, then he will do stuff like that. I think he says 3 different things when that happens. So if he stays there and not do anything and he's still on, he'll like do stuff like try to engage you to play with him now. So
Come and join me.
So I think he says one more thing, not sure, but you just have to wait for a few seconds and then he'll I think it's 20 or 30, I don't know.
Let's dance together.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
So when you don't play with it for a long time, it will start like doing stuff on it. Well, start like doing stuff to see if you're there. But I think if you don't do it after a few tries, it will turn off by itself. But I'm not sure, so I'm gonna check if it works.
Uh-oh, it's getting dark.
Okay, he says that he didn't turn off, so I don't think he does. But I don't know. Not sure. And if he's running out of battery, he would say he's running out of battery. And then after that, he would turn off to conserve his battery. And then, see, he turned off. Oh, yeah, he turned off by itself. That happens if after like 4 tries, he'll turn off by itself.
Hi, I am Cady Will. I can sing and dance and play.
I think that's all to it. Yeah, you can take out the battery. I think that's all to the robot. And thanks for watching. Bye.